In this video, you'll learn how to check whether your Binance KYC is complete. By following these steps, you will be able to easily verify your identification status within your account. Begin by accessing Binance through the mobile app or the official website. Once you reach the home page, sign in to your account using your credentials. After logging in, locate your profile icon, which is typically situated at the top corner of your screen. Tap on this icon to open a menu where you can find various account options. Next, navigate to the identification or verification section within your account settings. It is important to ensure that you are viewing the correct account if you manage multiple logins. This action sets the stage for checking your KYC status. Once you are in the verification section, look for a status label that indicates your current verification state. You may see labels such as verified, pending, or unverified. Take note of the level of verification completed, which may include basic and advanced levels. Additionally, review any alerts that may indicate missing documents or incomplete steps. Confirm whether your identity verification shows as approved. Pay attention to any additional notes provided by Binance, as this information is crucial in determining whether your KYC process is complete. If you find that your KYC is not complete, you will need to take specific actions to finalize the process. First, if prompted, upload the required identification documents. Ensure that the documents are clear and legible. Next, complete the facial verification process carefully, making sure you have proper lighting to avoid any issues. It is essential that all personal information matches what is shown on your official ID. After submitting the verification request, be patient and wait for confirmation of your submission. During this time, monitor your email or notifications for any updates regarding your KYC status. Taking these steps ensures that you can successfully complete your KYC process on Binance. Remember that processing times can vary based on the volume of requests and the accuracy of your submitted information. If you experience delays checking your inbox regularly for any communication from Binance regarding your verification status is advisable. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.